We are yet again in another project showcasing this beautiful 3-bedroom bungalow, 107 square meters. We are used to the 120, 140. Recently, we showed you 100 square meter. Now I'm about to show you 107 square meters. We are here in Busia County, and you can see this beautiful house we began with you, and we are showing you how it has turned out to be. We are in the 65% done, so we are just in the finishes stages. So this is our entrance, this is our front porch. You can see how big and spacious it is, and we have around 5 steps to our house, so meaning our house is very high. It is at the highest point of this whole land. So here we can see our steel windows. Our steel windows, these were done by Batir. You can see how nicely done they are. So we are going to be doing the primer, the filler, we do the final coats, and we do our glazing. The client has chosen the one-way gray for the windows for privacy. So we have this beautiful dome. This was a design chosen by our client. So what is remaining is just putting the lock, the Wister lock that we normally do to make sure that the door is complete and well done. But before we get in, I'm about to make you not see our beautiful roof. So we have this beautiful, amazing roof. Initially, we had the box profile mabati, but the client, when we were just in the roofing stages, they decided, no, I think we want a different roofing sheet. So we did the charcoal gray versatile mabati, and I'm telling you, it makes this house shine and pops and it pops among all the houses in this whole community. So it is very unique, and it brings out the beautiful roof. And you can see our gutter. We have done our PVC gutter, very well done, and it gives this house a perfect look. We have the PVC ceiling. We use the brown one. You can see how beautiful it is. This is the client's choice. They decided to go with this, and it makes our eaves very nicely done and completely closed. So we get into a beautiful house. So this is a 107. You can critique it. It has good spacing. So if your budget does not fit the 120, you don't have to squeeze yourself for the 120. This is 107. And you can see our beautiful TV wall right here. Very big, and the spacing is quite huge. Being a 107, the client did not want to let go of having a dining. So we have this big dining space with this beautiful big window for lighting. It opens up to the back side of the plot, so the amount of light that comes in and the fresh air is quite a lot. So here we have a breakfast bar where there is enough leg room. You can do the seats, and this is a surface so you can put the cups, not very big, but it is quite sufficient for a breakfast bar. Here we have the Gekamura corner. People are loving this. Somewhere you can do maybe batteries for solar storage. You can do a beautiful a wardrobe, not a wardrobe, a beautiful cabinet for the dining, the clear, you can put your glass. So this is the corner for small storage of our dining. So we get into our beautiful kitchen. Being in Busia, you know, there are outside kitchens, we have the dirty kitchen. So the client did not want to have a pantry because we'll be having enough storage. Here you get fresh produce every single day. So here we'll be having our fridge right here. We have done the provisions. We have our worktops done. We are going to be using the 60 by 60 or the 120 by 60 tiles for our worktops. And here is where we have our cooker. We have our cooker connector right here. And you can see the cable that we're using is the 6mm cable for our cooker. So we always get it right. Quality is always our vision, to make sure that our houses have the best quality. So here is where we'll be having our sink, our kitchen sink, our double sink, and we have a window here for lighting. So here is where we have our backyard. We don't have a back porch. That's why we maximized on the front porch. So here we have a similar door to the front that leads to the back side of the house. And you can see it takes us to the garden. So that is our dining. So being a 3-bedroom, and this is a common design, we have the master on one side and the other 2-bedroom on the other side. So for this side, we decided to have a bigger corridor, and we have our toilet and shower separate here, so that the person in the living room can use the toilet freely, and the 2 bedrooms can share the shower and the toilet. So this is our first bedroom. You can see it's very spacious, and you can see the amount of light that comes in is very much okay, and it is very beautiful. There is nothing much to say about this, but you see it's very nice and sufficient. We have our second bedroom right here. You can see the corridor is a bit wider. So we have the second one that opens up to the front side of the house, and it is actually massive. So it doesn't mean 107 is small, it is enough, it has adequate space. So that is our second bedroom. We go to our final bedroom. We leave the living room. There is a corridor, it's a bit separate, a bit hidden from the living. And we have our master. It is very spacious, as you can see. There is no cabinetry here, it's just the bed only. And you can see we have done the bedside switches and sockets very well done, meaning our bed will be here at the center. We have our walk-in closet right here. We'll be having his and hers side. This can be hers, this will be his, for enough cabinetries. And we have our master bathroom, also very spacious. We have our shower area, it is very big. And we have our toilet and our sink right at the middle. So basically this is 107 square meter. You can see the difference between 120 and 107. So for this house, we do not have a pantry, we do not have a laundry, but we have a dining, and all the others are there, and one of our bedrooms is not en suite. So you can do what suits your budget anywhere in the country. This is Busia. We are almost at the border of Uganda. So there is nowhere Batir Constructions cannot come and construct for you. Continue following for this and many more. This is a 107 3-bedroom bungalow in Busia County. Thank you.